Hi everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. Today I'll show you how to enable Windows Biometric Framework in Windows 11 step by step so you can use fingerprint or facial recognition easily. Now let's get started. Step 1, click the search icon on your taskbar, type Services and open the Services app. This app controls all the background services in Windows, including the ones for security and authentication. Step 2, scroll down the list and locate Windows Biometric Service. This service is needed to enable fingerprint or facial login on your device. Step 3, right-click on Windows Biometric Service and select Properties. This opens a window where you can change how the service runs and ensure it's active. Step 4, set the startup type to automatic. This makes sure the service starts every time your computer boots, so your biometric login always works. Step 5, click Start to start the service immediately. This activates Windows Biometric Framework so your device can recognize fingerprints or faces. Step 6, click Apply and then OK to save all changes. This confirms your settings and keeps the service running smoothly in the background. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more Windows 11 tips.